मेरे प्यारे बच्चों, आप कैसे हैं मेरे प्यारे बच्चों? हाउ आर यू ऑल? होप यू all are fine. Okay, my dear kids, have you read and learned the notes what I have sent on the previous day? I got only little students have sent the photos of notes written. Okay, those who are finishing and sending, I am correcting and giving. So my dear kids, your parents don't know Hindi and they can't correct. I know that. So that only I'm compelling you. Please write the notes and send it to me, because I'm going to conduct on test on next week, 2020. Lesson 1 notes you have to learn. So please send the notes as soon as possible. I'll correct it. Okay, I don't want any students to learn the wrong words and all. Okay, my dear kids, please send it as soon as possible. Okay, my dear kids, lesson 1 notes you have to learn, write and learn, my dear kids. I'll conduct test on 2020. So before that, please learn the notes while writing. Okay, my dear kids. Okay, we finished the first lesson, but because of what we will say, it became too late, isn't it? This is the time for us to finish the first term, but what happened, because of some social problems and all, we can't do that. So I am not going to that big lessons and all, because it will take too much time and all. So today we are going to take the fifth lesson. Okay, my dear kids, take fifth lesson, page number 28. Everyone take fifth lesson, page number 28. Up of that, write today's date, 13/10/2020. 13/10/2020. Okay, what is the title of the lesson? Aksharon ka mahatva. Aksharon ka mahatva. So see, because of learning the letters only, you are reading this and all, isn't it? Otherwise, if the letters and all is not there, means we can't learn anything. So how the letters came, what is the importance of letters, when it came, when it started writing the letters and all, who found out that and all, like what and all, from where it came, that and all we are going to study in this lesson. Listen carefully. What lessons and all important only I am going to take. So this is important you to know from where the letters and all came. So aksharon ka mahatva. Aksharon means, what is the meaning of aksharon? Letters. Right there, letters. Aksharon, letters. Then what is the meaning of mahatva? Mahatva, importance. Importance. Okay, importance of letters. Aksharon ka mahatva or aksharon ka mahatva, importance of letters. Okay, my dear kids, listen carefully what I am reading. Aksharon ki kahani. Kahani means story. The story of letters. यह पुस्तक अक्षरों से बनी है, isn't it? This book is made up of letters only, isn't it? Because of letters only they have written. Without letters, how we can write books? No, isn't it? So यह पुस्तक अक्षरों से बनी है. This book has made by letters. सारी पुस्तकें अक्षरों से बनी है. Only this book has written in letters? No, isn't it? All the book has made because of letters. सारी पुस्तकें अक्षरों से बनी हैं. All the books are made by letters. तरह तरह की पुस्तकें, तरह तरह के अक्षर. So many types of books. तरह तरह means different types of books. Different types of books are there, isn't it? Not every, see, for you science book is there, Hindi book is there, English book is, so many different types of books are there, and also different letters, isn't it? तरह तरह के अक्षर. Hindi अक्षर is there, Tamil अक्षर is there, Malayalam is there, English is there, then type of letters is there. So many types of letters also there. So So different types of books are there, different types of letters also there. Then next, दुनिया में अब तक करोड़ों पुस्तकें छप चुकी हैं. दुनिया में अब तक करोड़ों पुस्तकें छप चुकी हैं. करोड़ तो दुनिया मीन्स वर्ल्ड. इन दिस वर्ल्ड करोड़ों पुस्तक, करोड़ों मीन्स crore, crore. छप चुकी है मीन्स printed, printed. So दुनिया में in the world so many करोड़ों crore types of books has printed in our world. हजारों पुस्तकें रोज छपती हैं. हजारों पुस्तकें रोज छपती हैं. हजारों, thousands of books are daily, thousands of books are printing. So already crore books have printed, but now हजारों पुस्तकों रोज छपती है. Daily thousands of books are printing also, isn't it? The newspapers, books for our next year, like that and all, they are printing daily. Thousands of books they are printing. Then तरह तरह के अक्षरों में हजारों की तादाद में रोज ही समाचार पत्र छपते रहते हैं. We are getting newspaper daily, isn't it? समाचार पत्र means newspaper. Newspaper. Daily we are getting newspaper, isn't it? There also letters they are using. So तरह तरह के अक्षरों में, हजारों की तादाद में, so many numbers, तादाद numbers, thousands of numbers, तादाद numbers. So thousands of numbers, thousand number of papers also they are printing daily, isn't it? So many types of, using so many letters, different types of letters they are using for that. You can see the letters and all. You can see the different types of letters. Tamil papers are there, English papers are there, Malayalam papers are there. So many types of letters also there, isn't it? So in that thousands of numbers of newspapers also daily they are printing. Then इन सब के मूल में है अक्षर. What is the basis of this all? What is the basis of this all? Only letters. मूल means letters. मूल means basis. Basis. Okay. Then हम कल्पना भी नहीं कर सकते कि यदि आदमी अक्षरों को न जानता तो आज इस दुनिया का क्या हाल होता. We can't imagine, isn't it? If the letters are not there, means what is the condition will be for all the people? What is the condition of this world? We can't imagine even, isn't it? हम कल्पना भी कर नहीं सकते यदि आदमी अक्षरों को न जानता. यदि if the people don't know the letters, means what will be this world's condition? What will be this world's condition? We can't imagine. Kalpana, imagine. Imagine. We can't imagine what will be the world's condition will be if we don't have what? If we don't have letters, isn't it? Condition. Hall. Condition. What will be the condition of these words if the letters are not there? Means okay, my dear students, कोई कह सकता है कि हम अक्षरों को अनादिकाल से जानते हैं. So many people were telling that we know the letters from when itself. Anadikal. Anadikal means the time which we are not remembering. Immemorial time. What we can't memorize what is the time. Before that itself the letters came, like that some people are telling. कोई कह सकता है कि हम अक्षरों को अनादिकाल से जानते हैं. We know the letters before that immemorial time. We know before the time which we can't remember. अक्षरों का ज्ञान हमें किसी ईश्वर से मिला है. Somebody are telling that we got the letters knowledge from where? Ishwar. Ishwar means God. God. From where we got? Somebody are telling that we got the letters knowledge from God. Like that they are telling. The next page, you take next page my dear kids, 29. पुराने ज़माने के लोग सचमुच ही सोचते थे कि अक्षरों की खोज पुराने ज़माने के लोग सचमुच ही सोचते थे कि अक्षरों की खोज ईश्वर ने की है. ओल्ड एज पीपल एंड ऑल. पुराने ज़माने ओल्ड एज people and all were thinking like what they are the letters and all find out by God only. पर आज हम जानते हैं कि अक्षरों की खोज किसी ईश्वर ने नहीं बल्कि स्वयं आत्मी ने की है. But now we know that not because of God, with the help of God only. Everything is happening because of God only. But God has sent some person to do that and all, isn't it? So किसी ईश्वर ने नहीं. Who has find out? Some people. बल्कि स्वयं आत्मी ने की है. Man, somebody, some people only has find out the letters. We know that now. But before the old age and all, they were believing that the God only find out the letters. But now we know that not God. With the help of God, some people only has done this one. अब तो हम यह भी जानते हैं कि किन अक्षरों की खोज किस देश में किस समय हुई. Now we know that which letters and all, where it discovered, from where, which place and all it discovered. Isn't it like that? we जानते हैं. अब तो हम यह भी जानते हैं कि किन अक्षरों की खोज. खोज means discovery. खोज discovery. discover. ओके. किन अक्षरों की खोज किस देश में किस समय हुई. when it find out, when it discovered, in which place it discovered and where it discovered, like that we know, isn't it? So अब तो हम यह भी जानते हैं कि किन अक्षरों की खोज किस देश में किस समय हुई. which place it has discovered and when it discovered, that everything we know now. So then हमारी यह धरती लगभग 5 अरब साल पुरानी है. our earth is how much old this earth? 5 अरब साल. अरब साल means 100 crore. So 5 अरब साल means what is that? 5 अरब साल 500 crore years. 500 crore years. So our this earth is how much old? That is 5 अरब साल पुरानी है. 500 crore years old, isn't it? 2-3 अरब साल तक इस धरती पर किसी प्रकार के जीव जंतु नहीं थे. 2 to 3 अरब साल 100 crore 2, so 200 to 300 crore years before इस धरती पर किसी प्रकार के जीव जंतु नहीं थे. Not even a single living thing is not there. Before that see, this world was 500 crore old, isn't it? 500 crore old and 200 or 300 years, till 200 or 300 years in this world, not even a living things was not there. Jiva Jantu, living things. Living things. So फिर करोड़ों साल तक केवल जानवरों और वनस्पतियों का ही इस धरती पर राज्य. Then after that what happened? करोड़ों साल फिर after some crore 1 crore years 1 crore करोड़ों 1 crore years only See, till 200 or 300 it was nothing was there. After that what happened? Only केवल जानवरों और वनस्पतियों का ही इस धरती पर राज्य रहा. Then 1 crore years only animals and vegetations that farming everything, that only was there, that plants, leaves, everything and only was there. करोड़ों साल तक केवल जानवरों मीन्स एनिमल्स एंड वनस्पतियों वेजिटेशंस का ही इस धरती पर राज्य रहा. ओनली दैट वॉज देयर इन दिस वर्ल्ड. देन आदमी ने इस धरती पर कोई 5 लाख साल पहले जन्म लिया. देन when we people human beings and are born, before what happened? When only 5 lakh years before, only 5 lakh years before only the human beings and are born in this world. Only 5 lakh years before this world, 500 crore years before happened, but we born before 5 lakh years before only the people born on this earth. धीरे धीरे उसका विकास हुआ. देन आफ्टर दैट slowly development on like only little was there. Then after that more people came like that. After that इनका विकास हुआ. विकास development. ओके. देन कोई 10,000 साल पहले आदमी ने गाँवों को बसाना शुरू किया. कोई 10,000 वर्ष पहले. व्हाट इज दैट? साल पहले. 10,000 years before only people started making villages. कोई 10,000 साल पहले आदमी ने गाँवों को बसाना शुरू किया. Only 10,000 years before people have started preparing making villages. वह खेती करने लगा. Then after that what they started doing? खेती करना, farming. They started doing farming. खेती करना, farming. Then वह पत्थरों के औजारों का इस्तेमाल करता था. They are not having any weapons and all to do farming and all. So what they were using? पत्थरों के औजारों means tools. Patthar means stone. Only what was there? The stone weapons or stone tools were they were using. फिर उसने तांबे और कांसे के भी औजार बनाए. तांबे means copper. Then कांसे means bronze. Then after that they make using this copper and bronze. By using this copper and bronze they started making weapons and all. First it was only stone tools and all was there. Then they started using copper and bronze. प्रागैतिहासिक मानव ने सबसे पहले चित्रों के जरिए. प्रागैतिहासिक मीन्स बिफोर द हिस्ट्री. सो before the history that people and all सबसे पहले first they started speaking, because letters and all was not there, isn't it? So they don't know to speak also. So how they were communicating? चित्रों के जरिए अपने भाव व्यक्त किए. what they are doing? by using pictures, by drawing something. What they want to know say, they will draw that one and they will show to others and they will communicate. Like that they were doing. So अपने भाव व्यक्त किए. what they are feeling, that everything they will draw and show to the other people. जैसे पशुओं means animals, पक्षियों birds, आदमियों people आदि के चित्र. These pictures and all they will draw and show to the others. इन चित्र संकेतों के से बाद में भाव संकेत अस्तित्व में आए. Then after that what happened? After this pictures and all showing, then they started doing like actions. भाव संकेत actions. First they were drawing and showing. Then after that by using actions and all. Then जैसे एक छोटे वृत्त के चाहों और means on small circle they will. Please I like this. On first they will put on circle. Then after that they will put this layer and all. What it will be if they are drawing like this means what it will be? It will be a sun. Like this they will draw and they will show, isn't it? So एक छोटे वृत्त में चाहूं और किरणों की, चाहूं और means चारों और, चाहूं four sides they will draw some किरणों के द्योतक रेखाएं खींचने पर वह सूर्य का चित्र बन जाता था. When they are drawing on circle and four sides they will show some layers and that lines and all, and they will think that is a sun. Like that. बाद में यही चित्र ताब या धूप का द्योतक बन गया. What is that? After this suns, first it was like a sun. First they will say that is a sun. Then after that they will use that as for heat. Taab means heat. By showing the picture of sun, they will show the that is heat also. Then after that, one more thing they will doob. What? Doob means sunlight also. So sunlight. Both these three they will communicate by showing the picture of sun. So first, then after that, इस तरह अनेक भाव संगीत अस्तित्व में आए. Then by using this and all, they were communicating. They were showing their feelings. First picture, then actions. Then तब जाकर काफ़ी बाद में आदमी ने अक्षरों की खोज की. Then after some years only they started finding out the letters. अक्षरों की खोज के सिलसिले को शुरू हुए मुश्किल से 6,000 साल हुए. Only 6,000 years before only what happened? 6,000, only 6,000. Okay, this earth has came 500 crore years before, but our letters came before 6,000 years only. Only 6,000 years before only struggle and so much difficulty after they find out the letters. केवल 6,000 साल, only 6,000 years before. Understood, my dear kids? That's all for today. If I am taking fully means it will be very difficult for you. If any doubt is there, please ask me. You only Zoom interaction meeting you don't want to use, you can ask me in the WhatsApp messages, or you can call me at any time. No problem, my dear kids. It's Hindi means I can understand that your difficulty, but if I am near to you means I'll clear you very clearly about what to do. So please ask me if you have any doubt or anything. Don't want to hesitate. Okay, my dear kids, don't forget about the test. Learn the notes, and those who didn't finish, please complete the notes very soon. Then prepare for the exam and read this lesson also. Okay, my dear kids. Dhanyavad.